Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to send emails from Podio. This is a question I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to share the answer with you. Before we get started, I want to say that there are a few different ways to send emails from Podio. I'm going to focus on the most common method, which is using the email action in a workflow. What is Podio? If you're not familiar with Podio, it's a project management and collaboration tool. It's a great way to keep track of your tasks, projects, and team members. How to send emails from Podio. To send an email from Podio, you'll need to create a workflow. A workflow is a series of steps that you can use to automate tasks in Podio. Here are the steps I followed to create a workflow that sends an email. Create a new workflow. Add the email action to the workflow. Configure the email action. You'll need to specify the recipient's email address, the subject of the email, and the body of the email. Save the workflow. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for sending emails from Podio. You can use variables in your emails. This allows you to personalize your emails and send different emails to different people. You can attach files to your emails. This is a great way to share documents or other information with your recipients. You can use conditional logic in your workflows to send emails only to certain people or under certain conditions. Sending emails from Podio is a great way to stay in touch with your team and clients. By following the steps in this video, you can easily create workflows that automate your email sending process. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Podio tutorials.